look at this awesome figure. Isn't it so cool? As you can see, the texture is so cool. This is the best Supersonic I've ever seen. Whoa, look at its red eyes. It is so textured. And it has the exact shoe. As you can see, it can also rotate its knees. See there? And it can bend its hand. Well, it has 22 points of articulation. Glass-eyed. That's the most coolest part. Whoa, look at its back. It is so cool. Bye guys, see you in the next video.